Hi, Catherine.
Hi, kamusta na?
So, boy pa naman.
Okay.
Hi naman daw.
Hi.
Huh?
You do this all freehand, huh?
Yeah, freehand.
Are you videotaping?
Hmm.
You're eating, right?
I just want to say happy birthday, Marin.
Can you send it to
No,
us?
I didn't copy that
I
one.
think that's it.
You're not gonna invite him to US Bank?
Oh yes. If you want to open an account, actually, you know what? I already got you. You're gonna do.
Go to
it
US Bank!
in time. Whenever I need you, I'll just give you a call, and you said you'll open the account for me.
Something you would like to say?
Halo!
Yeah, wait, videotape. Happy birthday.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
But his birthday's on the 1st.
Yeah, it's 2
There you
days
go.
ago. Birthday.
the birthday boy.
Oh, that one's cool. I want to try that one.
Really good.
This is
You first.
Sketched. Can finish it.
Something you guys wanna say to Marin?
Yeah. That? What? Huh? Oh. I don't speak English. Please help me.
Danica?
Hey, Jeanette.
You?
What? What? Oh, look at you. What?
Be careful. You gotta be slow.
What's the video
really,
for?
really full.
Can I say happy birthday to Marin?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
The cake that we got you, it took us forever to put the
Namula yung kamay
Yeah.
ko. Kakapiga.
Mine too! Really?
Pinawisan pa kami.
It took us hours to go.
So it would be really nice if you serve it right now.
I know.
What's the video for?
Let's see.
Oh, say happy birthday to Marin.
Happy birthday, Marin. Anything else? Oh,
See? My Adobe Photoshop before and after.
After and before.
Oh.
Ah. Hey, that's nice.
Yeah, that was it.
Okay, there you go.
Learn it from the internet.
Oh.
Internet lessons.